The Maytag F5E3 is an indicator that a washer's slide lock is malfunctioning, preventing the door from locking properly. This issue can be caused by an obstructed lid or door, system failure, or a lid or door that is not closed securely. To resolve this problem, start by removing any obstructions. Turn off the washer, disconnect it from its power supply, and check for any laundry items that may be stuck in the door. Once the obstructions are cleared, turn the unit back on to see if the issue persists. To prevent future occurrences, reduce the load size in the washer. If the problem continues, perform a system reboot by exiting the current cycle and then restarting the washer to release the lid. If this does not work, unplug the machine, wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in. Finally, ensure the door or lid is properly closed, as a secure closure is necessary for the washer to operate. To do this, simply open and then firmly close the door or lid.